With all our hearts, we pray and ask. God bless Amanda. God bless the shining light that we bear. We're the only ones to make her brighter, the only ones to make her better, the only ones to make Anambra shine.
The Executive Governor of Anambra State, you are welcome to Agbaja Abatete Oruku Alo Road. This is a bypass that links these three communities, Abatete, Oruku and Alo. The length of this road is 2.7 kilometers, but with the discharge drain is about 3 kilometers. Your Excellency, a contractor to this project is Bees Resources International. This contract was awarded in 2017. Your Excellency, the clearing for this road has been 100% completed. The earthwork has been 100% completed. The drain, the right and the left drain has been 100% completed. Your Excellency is at the stage of asphalting. And out of the 3 kilometers, Your Excellency, is remaining about 600 meters to complete the entire road. And from the discussion we had with the contractor, in less than 2 weeks, Your Excellency, we shall be here to commission this road. You are welcome, His Excellency. This road is so important that it goes to Oruku. So if we are coming to Abatete, instead of getting to Agolo or Neni, we can now take in from Oruku and we are in Abatete. Or we are going to Onitsha, we are going to Ogidi. This is a bypass. And during the peak, that the festive period, this will bring a lot of relief to Anambra. Thank you, Your Excellency, for coming.
This road is Agbaja Abatete Oruku Alo bypass. This road came on board because of the traffic we experienced during the festive period, especially at Nkwo, Cargo. A lot of people, Abatete is the central senatorial junction. So most of the people going to Nnewi, Nnobi, even Oka, will be stuck in Abatete for 6 hours. So with the provision of this road, the problem of that hold up for 6 hours in a cargo is a thing of the past. So the people going to all these areas will use this road. Your Excellency, it's important to inform you that this road is the first internal road network in the history of Abatete. So the people of Abatete is ever grateful to your government, and we are looking forward to the day of the commissioning of this project. And Abatete people have asked me to inform you that the day you commission this project, you are going to take a title from this community. Your Excellency, you are welcome. Thank you.
PGA, PGA, APGA, Odayana 1 year, Kokoroko. I'm very, very happy to be visiting this project. When the contractor started this project a few months back, I
I wasn't so sure that he will be able to finish this road this way. But you can see the quality of road, the quality of the drainage. You know, I'm very, very impressed with the contractor. You know, and we'll give you more road to do. This is an important road, as you already heard, 3 kilometers, linking a couple of communities. That's the kind of road we like to do. Roads that lead to agrarian areas, that open up communities. As you can hear, this is the first asphalted road or third road in the history of this neighborhood. You know, so it's something to be very proud of. You know, so I'm very happy. Abatete people have always supported us, and your son also won on the platform of Africa. Yeah, you know, and they will win again. You know, so the only thing I will ask of you is to ensure that the drainages are desilted at every point in time. Don't allow waste to be on that inside the drainage, because water will overflow and it will attack this beautiful road. You know, and don't burn tires on top of the road during festivities. If you burn tire on top of asphalt, it will make a ring there, and from there the road will start giving away. If you do all those things, this road will be here for over 100 years. You know, so they about to take a mono in there. No,